Welcome to Puerto Viejo, everybody. We arrived here yesterday about noon, and we were a little tired. We walked around a bit, and within minutes, we fell in love with this little town. The vibe here is just so cool. So we ended up going down to the beach, getting some Costa Rican cookies, and just spending the day chilling on the beach. Now, we woke up this morning and decided we loved it so much that we're going to stay a few extra days. So we're going to move out of this little hotel we're in and move into a little private bungalow for 3 nights. It's a lot nicer, but it's actually about $15 a night cheaper. It's only 70 bucks a night. We'll show you that later. In the meantime, we're going to head out now and check out some beaches up and down this coast. We're going to rent some bikes and see what the day brings us.
All right, so we made it to Punta Uba after about a 1.5 mile, 2-mile bike ride down to here. It was super peaceful. There was actually like a lot of other bikers out there with us, so it was nice and relaxing. The cars were very nice and they take it easy around you. No helmets, it's just take it easy.
Then when we got here, some guy came up to us and we thought we were buying empanadas, but we actually bought a brownie, not realizing that it was probably a pot brownie, because as he was walking away, he says, when you get the Munchies in about 20 minutes, come back and look at me for the empanada. So it was probably a pot brownie, which is all right, we'll enjoy it. I mean, who wouldn't? Look at this scenery. Lots of people playing. Gorgeous, warm bathwater water. So I think now we're gonna fly the drone a little bit, get you guys some aerial shots, and take off back towards the next beach, right?
Yeah.
All right. So that was Punta Uba, and it was really chill, relaxing. We both loved it. But we're gonna head on up the road now, find another beach where hopefully we can find a little lunch, because I'm getting cranky. Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. All right, so we were on our way to the next beach, but then we decided to stop so that Alyssa could get out the good camera and try to get you guys a close-up picture of what's going on. I don't really think you'll be able to see it on this camera, but the entire side of the road, from pole to pole, and then even over the top, is just covered with spider webs and these giant, huge spiders everywhere. It is so creepy, and like, yeah, check this out. All right, maybe we'll put some pictures up if we got close enough with the zoom lens, but we're gonna get the hell out of here now. This is creepy.
Riding along the road here, and right next to the Jaguar place, there's a pizza place. So we walked up, and it is beautiful up here. Got a place for your bike, dinner, and a show.
I haven't seen any street puppies for you yet, so there's been no dog of the day. But this morning, I really shouldn't laugh, we saw a baby howler monkey fall out of a tree from about 50 feet up, just smashed right onto the ground. And we didn't know what to do at first, because we were sitting right there, and the other monkeys in the trees didn't come down or nothing. They just wouldn't budge. So we thought it was because we were there, so we left. And then we asked the hotel owner, and he said, no, they won't come down until they see if it walks away, then they'll help it. You know, if it climbs back on the tree, they'll help it. But if it doesn't, they just leave it there, just leave it to die if it doesn't get back up. So
they won't come down. I guess it's a safety mechanism, you know. Or if you come down on the ground, like a jaguar might get it or something, you know.
Pretty sad.
Yeah, but he got up. He ran back up the tree and he was fine. And I mean,
he must have had a headache. But
yeah, I mean, he was moving a little slow, but it's good to see he was moving.
So this is probably our last beach for the day because I am getting bright red. But this is Cocles Beach, and there's a lot more going on here.
They got some volleyball nets set up, and then they also have the surfboard shop. So like you can come out and actually surf right here. There's more people swimming here than there has been in the last 2 beaches we were at. I think it's quite peaceful here.
Yeah, it looks like there's less rocks down this end. Oh, we do have a few surfers going out.
These waves are pretty big. I don't think I'd go in there just swimming.
So I think we're both beached out for the day. It's been amazing. All the beaches we stopped at was so much fun. Really cool, laid back atmosphere. But we have just had way too much sun, so we're gonna ride back to town and we'll show you guys our new hotel room before we wrap up this video. Alright?
Sounds good.
See you there. Reminds me of Long Island because you can't go more than one business without finding another pizza place. They're everywhere. They're actually pretty good too. Here's our little bungalow. We made it back from the beach. We got our new room. And I'm gonna let Alyssa take this in and show you what it's like.
Yeah, all right, come with me. So this is our own little private bungalow here.
Nice little deck area out
Yeah,
front.
nice little patio. We got a key. And we have AC and a television. I don't know, what is that, a full-size bed? Not bad. She says there's a safe in here. One of the keys is for the safe. And the bathroom.
Not too shabby for a 70 a night.
Oh. Yeah, so it was only 70 a night. That's quite cheap because the last place we stayed at was 85 and we did not have a TV and it was bright, so bright in that room. And it was right above a restaurant, so it was very loud. So this is gonna be so quiet tonight. It's gonna be so peaceful. I'm looking forward to it. Now, we go swimming. We're gonna go check out their pool.
Crikey, mate, can you believe we're lucky enough to catch these little buggers during their dinner time? Awesome.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends.
See you soon.
Bye.